My area of expertise is really to apply technology to solve real-world problems, more specifically to help small and mid-sized manufacturers leverage the power of a variety of technologies that they can afford today easily. So my talk is going to be based upon what Industry 4.0 really is, what are its components, how can they leverage the power of technology today, not only to create a 360-degree view of their customers, but also to help supply and demand. That means improve their top line, improve their efficiencies and effectiveness, and give them the gross margins that they're looking for.
I always like to show what are the root causes of economic downturns. What's the current state of the economy? Where are the economic indicators pointing? What's it looking like for 2020? Also like to focus in on the areas of obviously energy, manufacturing, technology, and then most importantly, how do you apply those data points, whether you're a business manager, where you're an owner, what are you looking to do with it? How can you apply that knowledge to what you're looking to do, whether it's grow your business, hire someone. Is it the right time to expand my business? Because that could be a really big thing. If you miss out on a swing that you're not aware of, you could really miss out on the future of what's going to occur in the short term. And if you miss out on a market cycle, it could really be affected, really affect your business going into the near future here.
You'd be surprised how many folks are not really following right protocols or different ways to protect themselves, whether on the cyberspace. You turn on the news, you got hacks left and right. You got disgruntled employees who still have access to passwords and they can get in and wipe out systems. And I'm sure everyone's seen some of the stuff that's out in the news, everything from Equifax to other big companies that are getting tapped into that too. If companies like this are able to get hacked, think of the smaller to medium-sized businesses and some of those folks who aren't really spending as much as these larger corporations. If you're not preventing things from happening, then you're just kind of leaving that door wide open or your window open for somebody just to step in and take what you work so hard for. I'm going to go through some best practices, talk to them a little bit about the do's and don'ts, and give you guys a little bit of maybe a 10-point handout of things you should be looking at, kind of an assessment. If you want that list, you need to show up, right?